Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, My Random Life. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Fab Bag September edition bag. So I received it a few days ago. I couldn't really record it, but I have recorded an unboxing video which I'll surely add into the video somewhere. And now I'm gonna just show you the bag and give you my review on those. So you'll have to know that I have not used any of the products as of now. These are going to be the first impressions. So let us just see how we go about this. Let's go. So this is how the bag looks. It's a purple bag. Again, the quality is just fine. I really feel the quality was better earlier, but okay, let's not complain about that. It's all about the quantity that we, or the things that we get inside the box, which are, so apart from this, I'll go to that and then return to this bag. So apart from this bag, I also received this Turkish shampoo, conditioner and conditioner, rose and in the variant rose and mint by the Global Beauty Secrets. So now the packaging is decent. The logo that they have is very Versace like. I don't know if you like, do you guys have the same feedback? Maybe just see. This is how it looks. I feel it's very Versace. However, the packaging, the color looks very soothing. The outer box for me was a little damaged. It just went a little clumsy on the side, but that's how the tube looks. I must say the tube, the design of it looks very classy and it's very artistic. Like it has a logo, it has really artistic, very Cleopatra kind of imagery on the top. On the tube of it, it's written Turkish shampoo and conditioner in rose and mint. Let me just have a sniff. Okay. It is like, if you've had Polo, it's more like how Polo, how you felt of Polo after having one or two of those. That's how this smells. I like the packaging of it, but I like the design of it, I must say, but I'm not very convinced with the packaging. Now I'll tell you why. I really like the color combinations. It's purple, it's blue, it's black, all of my favorite colors, with a hint of I think rose gold in it. So they've chosen the right kind of colors, but they have gone a little shady with the kind of packaging it has. Like, it's not too bad, but it's the finesse, the finish of it is not that great. But I'm concerned about it when it's priced at rupees 800. Okay, when I pay a certain amount for something, I do also want the packaging and the overall look and aesthetic of it to be premium when I'm paying a premium amount. Okay, so let's just but that's, I think, like, that's a personal opinion. So let's just see what it says. It says the shampoo and conditioner has rose extracts that strengthen hair roots, promote hair growth and revitalizes the scalp, while the rose water hydrates and moisturizes dry hair to keep the frizz at bay. The mint extracts have antimicrobial properties that effectively cleanse and soothe the scalp, thus promoting good hair health from the root to the tip. So what I get out of it is, see, it definitely has really promising ingredients, which is rose and mint, which is not really a combination that I've heard in shampoos. Like rose is more of a thing that I've heard in more of a skincare product, more skincare products. Mint, however, yes, I have used quite a few shampoos which has mint in it. I'm not too fond of mint in general. Like I'm not a very minty person, but I'm still excited to try this because if we go by the claims of it, I should be experiencing very less frizzy hair, and because it's very humid, I am not sure if you all do get it, but I tend to get a few small like bumps on my hair, like inside my scalp, like inside my hair on my scalp, which does itch sometimes. So I'm very much hoping that the mint will solve for it, since it has antimicrobial properties. So that's about it. This is one thing. Now let's get to the bag. So it doesn't have a chain this time. It is more of like a clip, or like, I don't know what do you call this. It's more of this button thingy which has a magnetic strip to it. So the first product that we have got is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula with Vitamin E Sheet Mask. So it says coconut water hydrating sheet mask. Now last time also we got one of the Palmer's product, which was a moisturizing lotion. It was not a full size product, it was around 11 ml, but this is one single use mask. I'm excited about Palmer's in general. They are a good quality brand, they're authentic, they are very old in the business, so I'm hoping to get good things out of it. I'm not a sheet mask fan in general because I feel like I'm very clumsy to use those, and also I have a legit problem. Most of the sheet masks do not fit my face structure weirdly. Like because you tend to fit them through your eyes, like you use your eyes as a stencil, but it doesn't fit in my mouth area, which tends to like sort of like bleed it somewhere here, and then like the serum keeps dripping, and it is usually not very clean experience for me. And also because most of the sheet masks are not supposed to be washed, I'm not very happy about things. Whenever I use something on my face, I need to wash my face to feel clean about it, so which is why I'm more of a face mask and a face pack person, more of a sheet mask person. But considering it's Palmer's, I'm still excited to use it. So if I'll use it, I'll definitely share my review on my Instagram. So do check my Instagram by the handle myrandomlife28. Okay, that's about it. The second product that we have is the Soap Company India Musk Body Wash. So this is the body wash that I have. The packaging is kind of nice. It's a 100 ml product, so sounds nice. It says definitely they have very less perfume in it, but I'm still gonna sorry. Okay, it's got a very mild fragrance, so for people who have really sensitive nose, it's good for them. It does have sulfates in it, so I'm not sure how many of you are very concerned about this. Like in general, brands are moving to more sulfate free and paraben free solutions and formulations, so it's not a deal breaker though. I will definitely give it a try, and I'm just hoping that it's not very drying, which is my concern most of the times. Then the next product that we have is by Sugar. It's Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the number 12 by the name Baby Houseman. So we've got a lipstick product, which is again a full size product by Sugar. This is how it looks, I will show you how the color looks. It retails for $8.99 and it says that we have to use it before 10/21, so it's fairly newly manufactured. Okay, the color is amazing. I love the color. I'm definitely gonna use this color. I have not had this color in a very long time. Like it's this more like a mauve and pink, mauvey pink, like much to the darker side of it. It will look very good on warm skin people, like people with warm tones. People with really cool tones might not get as flattering results as people with warmer skin tones. So that's it. So I'm excited about this. It also has a sharpener that it has come with. This is a sharpener, and I must say I'm very happy with the kind of quality they have for the sharpener as well. I'm personally not a fan of these kind of bullets, like which are not retractable, because I feel a lot of product gets wasted. So this is the sharpener that I got. This is how it looks. The next product that I have is another lip product. It's by the brand Brick. I honestly am not aware of this brand till now, but I'm sure, like, I'll check them out. Good thing is it says these are cruelty free and vegan products, and it's designed and developed in New York. I'm in the shade Terracotta Brown 06 is what I've got. This is how the bullet looks. And that's how it looks. So I'm gonna swatch it. The shade is, can you see this? The shade is pretty much on the rusty side. It's probably it is the right color. I'm not sure of what exactly a terracotta brown looks like, but if I go by the color that is shown on the box, it's not very much matching to this. So I'm not super happy about this, because I'm not sure how this color will look on me. It's more this color has more of cool tones to it. So that's about it. And I just forgot to show you a swatch of the Sugar lipstick, which is Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick 12, number 12, Baby Houseman. And very creamy and very smooth and very pigmented, I must say. And the color is amazing. I am super excited to try this one. So that's about it. So I've got quite a few full-size products this time. In fact, I think all of them have been full-sized, be it this crayon lipstick, the lip liner, good thing, retractable, and the Palmer sheet mask that I'm super excited about, the Rose and Mint shampoo and conditioner by Global Beauty Secrets, and the Soap Company India Musk body wash. So yay, we've got quite a few products, and not to forget, we did get a sharpener as well for the lipstick. So we're pretty sorted for this month. I am very excited to try all of the products from this bag, and very happy with the bag that I've got, because the products are really nice. I'm still using the products from the previous month's bag. And also to tell you guys, I've used the Disguise eyeshadow bullet that I had received in the last month's fab bag. So that is what I'm really liking. So that's about this video. If you'd like me to review any of the particular products from this fab bag, or probably show you usage videos of any of these products, do let me know. I'd love to use it for you and review it for you. So let me know in the comment section. And I really hope that you enjoyed the time for the video. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. So that's about it. Anything else, do let me know in the comment section. You know the drill. So until next time, bye bye.